In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Figma to PNG. To get started, open your browser and log into your Figma account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main Figma dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your recent files and projects. Take a moment to find the specific project that contains the design you want to export as a PNG. When you've found it, click on that file to open it in the Figma editor. Inside the editor, you'll see your design canvas in the center and the layers panel on the left. You can select what you want to export in two ways. Either click directly on the element or frame on the canvas, or select it from the layers list on the left side. This could be a frame, a component, an icon, or any other layer you want to turn into a PNG image. Once you have the correct layer selected, look over to the right side of the screen. This is the Properties panel, where Figma shows you all the settings for whatever is currently selected. Scroll down in this panel until you find the section labeled Export. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. It's usually near the bottom of the properties. In the Export section, you'll see a small plus icon on the right-hand side. Click this plus icon to create an export setting for your selected layer. After you click it, some new options will appear, including a field for scale and a drop-down menu for the file format. By default, the scale might be set to 1x, which is usually good for general use. If you need a higher resolution image, like for high-density screens, you can increase this to 2x or even 3x. Just remember that higher scales will create larger files. Next, you'll want to make sure the file type is set to PNG. To do this, click the drop-down menu next to the scale field. From the list of available formats, choose PNG. This tells Figma to export your layer as a PNG image instead of another format like JPG or SVG. When you're happy with the settings, click the export button that appears, followed by the name of your layer. Figma will quickly prepare the file and automatically start the download. Once the download has finished, open your computer's Downloads folder, and you'll find your new PNG file ready to use in your projects, presentations, or wherever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Figma design to PNG.